And the front is already done finished. So it's already done finished the stair of the front. Then the master's bedroom is already put in the wall fiber cement board. So in this area it's already done finished this portion. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 round bar is not yet but already preparation the whole. So maybe tomorrow we'll continue putting the round bar this area. So that's the stair on the kitchen. So see that. So that's the stair of the kitchen. So we put the decking, so it's a nice and look beautiful. If we can put the decking, WPC decking, then we put primer, epoxy primer. Then tomorrow we'll continue putting the flat bar in this area, all the parameter flat bar for the guide of the wood, the 2x6 wood. So in this area, so we have a markings here, so that's the markings. So we put the flat bar from start going all the parameter. So we put the flat bar. This is the flat bar. Flat bar is 2.5 by 3/4. So 2.5 by 3/4. So this kind of flat bar we'll put tomorrow. This is the fiber cement board that I'm using. This is thickness. The thickness of this is 4.5 mm. Already putting for the walling of the master's bedroom. So we need to buy the door jamb so that we can fix the dimension. So we cannot estimate, but we have to put the door jamb. So is that the back, the another room here. So that's the metal studs. So we cannot put back to back the fiber cement board because we just to install the electrical in that area. So after we putting electrical and rigid foam board, so that's the time that we put another fiber cement board to cover the metal studs and even this area. This is the front stair. This is the front stair. And this is the patio. And the other stair. So that's the dirty kitchen. So that's the railings. And that's the entrance. So So we're just putting the metal paring for the ceiling, the PVC in this area. So that's the metal paring. So tomorrow we'll continue to put the C channel, the carrying channel of the metal paring, like that. That's a carrying channel. So that's the carrying channel. So all that will put the carrying channel. We're just installing the metal paring for the preparation for the ceiling this area. So it's already done putting the metal paring. So I'm just also putting the flat bar. I'll be the one to put this for the sample, then Dodong will follow this guide. I'll make it this for guide. So this is the flat bar for the 2x6 wood. So this dimension, Dodong tomorrow will continue to put that flat bar for the 2x6 mahogany wood. All the railings is already done, putting the epoxy gray primer. So this area, so already putting the epoxy gray primer. So we have already epoxy gray primer, the round bar, plain round bar for railings. So this look like the flat bar. So this is a flat bar, and just install this, then Dodong will continue on that area. So I just to put this for the reference. Tomorrow Dodong will continue putting the flat bar. So we're already putting the epoxy gray primer. Okay. So all the flat bar is already installed. So it looks like, so the 2x6 will put in the stop, then bolted, will put bolt, make a hole this, then so it's ready, putting all the flat bar. So in this area already done, installed all the flat bar for the preparation of the mahogany wood. So it's already done complete, and even the metal paring for the ceiling. So next will be put all the WPC wooling before we put the all the WPC wooling before we put the ceiling, PVC ceiling. So all the studs is already complete. So preparation for the window jam, door jam. So we'll put all the wooling at the back in this area, WPC wooling. Next week we install all the WPC until we complete, because we purchase only the 30 pieces. So maybe in this area, then this area will be the next another to purchase another WPC, and even this. So all the paring should be installed in the ceiling and the carrying channel. That's the carrying channel. So I'm already putting the primer epoxy. So that's look like if you can view in distance. So that's look like the patio and the house. So that's look like if you can view in the distance. So